Target Trading Academy.
Good afternoon, everybody. Preston Vogl here with today's micro market recap at Target Trading Academy. Today is Thursday, February 17th, just after 4 p.m. Let's get right into it with micro oil here. You can see oil is in rollover, so not a whole lot of participation in this market right now, or this contract, I should say, will probably be rolling over tonight. With that said, we've got clearly that we opened gap down from yesterday's close. If you remember, we had made an observation of that overnight. Actually, after market moved, it went down like another 2 points from where it closed. So it kind of stabilized out, came back to this area, and wouldn't make it any higher. But we did end on a net down day again in oil. As far as gold goes, we opened gap up from yesterday's close and range, and we never looked back really. This was the low of the day, as you can see, and we melted up, finishing us off net positive. Now the equities opened in balance from yesterday's range. If I go back, the ES here, you can see we opened inside of yesterday's range, not terribly far from the close, but immediately we hit this HVA edge and hit resistance. Remember, these edges, these areas, these high volume areas are what we give our students the night before for their next sessions trading activities, be it at night, pre-market, or during the pit. You can see it held several times for monster winners, and they never looked back after this. The market just melted down. Pretty choppy for the most part, but several entries that were really good. But again, we just kept melting down. And even it got worse in the afternoon. It just kept getting more choppy in the afternoon and just was melting down. But we did finish net down for the day in the ES here, micro ES. And if we go to the micro NASDAQ, similar story, opening inside of yesterday's range. If I can get back here, pretty much close to, well, not, it was below the close, but pretty much in the main body from yesterday. And it just was congested, and then they made a high and never really looked back at that. And the same thing, several winners again at those levels, but for the most part, it just got choppy towards the end and continued to melt down. So we are finishing off net down for the day in the NASDAQ, making some newer lows for us right now. You can see the volatility of the market as it's closing here. But again, these levels are given out to our students each night before the market opens so that they have them and can put them on their respective charts. Not everyone has the same charts as I do or anybody else in the room. Some people have similar markets. Granted, there's only a handful of trading platforms out there, but they're posted in our access for students under our campus library for them to reference so that they can trade off of them based off of our methodologies that go along with them. If that's something you're interested in finding out more information about or learning how to trade in general, feel free to reach out to us. You can find us at Facebook. Again, we are Target Trading Academy, or go to our website at targettradingacademy.com. Get in touch with a representative at either location, and you'll quickly find out why we are the #1 trading education company in the world and why we have so many live, profitable students in our rooms each day. We look forward to seeing you.